So say I'm slow from age, a late bloomer, okay, I agree that I've been born rotten kid. Some sun, some pride and some joy, but I'll get over these messing up, screwing up times. You see, Mom, now comes the better part. Someone's gonna make good cross your stupid heart, make good and finally make you proud of your boy. Some say that I've been a louse or a loafer, you ain't get a fighting old man. Say I'm a road brick, a goof of no good, but that couldn't be all that I am. Water flows under the bridge, let it pass, let it go. There's no good reason why you should leave me, not yet. I know, but someday and soon I'll make you proud of your boy. Though I can't make myself taller or smarter or handsome or wise, I'll do my best. What else can I do? Since I wasn't born perfect like Dad or you. Mom, I will try hard to make you proud of your boy.